Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2. Now Module 2 is all about trialing your to-do list application. Now this is actually a really important period of time. Now you've gone through all of the hard research in being able to pick these top 3 solutions that you have, and that's really great. But now it's all about putting your chosen option to the test. And obviously we're going to be introducing some principles like the 90-day principle, so that you guys can really test out the application before you really invest in it in Module 3. Because, you know, what's the point in buying a house, moving all your stuff into it, and then realizing it's not the house for you a couple of weeks later, and then having to move all of your stuff out? It's very similar to that. What we need to do in this section is really to help you test all of the functions, whether it works for you, and we're going to call this one. So it's going to be an exciting module that I think you'll find a lot of value from, and especially it's going to be your training wheels for producing, but it's going to be your training wheels to fall into optimizing your to-do list application. So guys, let's jump in.